Introduction might be the reason your videos are not getting views. As a small YouTuber, you don't have any business introducing yourself to your audience. Introduction is very, very boring. Me in particular, I do not like watching introduction videos of creators unless the one that is very, very interesting. Like there are people that would edit their video properly and the introduction and everything will seem entertaining. But aside that, if you just see someone that will just come up and say, hello, I am this, and I teach this, I teach that, I do this, please subscribe to my... It's boring. It's boring. If I click on a tutorial video, I clicked on it because there's something I want to learn on that video, which is what the title stated. And if I click on entertainment video, I want to be entertained and I want that to start immediately. It's not like spending like 2 whole minutes introducing yourself and your channel. By the time you're done with the introduction, people have already left. So how will you even get to the main thing you want to talk about? How will you retain their attention? As a small YouTuber, you don't even have audience yet, so there's no need introducing yourself. As your audience grow, you can gradually start introducing yourself to your audience. And again, if you must introduce yourself as a small YouTuber, do that in the middle of your video or towards the end of your video. Even you yourself, ask yourself this question: if you see a video with long introduction, are you going to stay to watch the introduction before getting to the main thing the person has to say? Most times you will lose your patience and you just scroll away, because there are so many videos on YouTube, of course, thousands of videos in similar niches. So people are likely to scroll away and go to another video. People are binge watching videos every now and then. So do not give them a reason to scroll past your own video. Leave that introduction behind. Leave it behind for the bigger bosses with very big channels and all of those things. Leave it behind. As a small YouTuber, focus on the main thing. Focus on gathering your own audience first. So that thing you said you're going to teach them, just go straight to the point. Let them stick to you first. Let them stay and watch till the end or till wherever, but let them not leave at that beginning. If people click on your video and they just meet introduction and they leave, another person clicks on your video and they meet introduction and they leave, another person does the same thing over and over, the algorithm will just forget that particular content entirely. To forget that content, it will assume that people don't like that kind of content, so it will just abandon it and focus on other people. So everyone is struggling for attention. So whatever you have to avoid in order to get people's attention, please avoid it. And whatever you have to do in order to retain people's attention, please do it. My first 2 videos, I introduced myself on the videos, and right now if I go back to those videos to watch how I introduce myself and everything, I would laugh at myself because it's funny. I'm not asking myself, Eunice, what were you really doing? What were you doing? Sorry, it's really funny right now. I'll be like, what were you doing? Things I'm telling you are things nobody told me. I watched big YouTube channels before I launched my own channel, and I thought the right way is for you to come out and say, hi, I am this, I do that, subscribe to my channel. What are they subscribing for? You don't even have content yet, so what are they subscribing for? What are they going to come back to watch? Let them make that decision on their own. Let them decide if your content is good enough that they would want to come back and see the next content you would post. If people watch your content and they enjoy it and they learn from it, they are likely going to hit that subscribe button. But once you start telling them to subscribe at the beginning of your video, at the beginning of your first video and your second video, when you don't even have enough content, what are they subscribing for? Allow them to make that decision on their own. So do not waste time and do not bore them with introduction and subscription stuff. So just dive straight in. If you're a small YouTuber and you've been spending time introducing yourself and at the end of the day nobody is watching your video, just try removing that introduction part. Start diving in directly into what you want to say to see if it would make any difference. Alright, so I am always here for small YouTubers like myself. I am sharing my own personal experience as I grow. See you on my next video. Bye.